Who is she? Hey guys, it's your girl Classic Ani back with another one, and I'm basically about to get straight to it. I'm going to show you guys how I restored another wig. This one is a frontal. I've had it for a minute now, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. This is a different setup, y'all. This is my bedroom. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Tell me if this worked for you in the past, or yeah, just let me know how you feel about the video. And then yeah,
happy holidays and happy new year.
if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, baby. Please be sure to check the description box for the links and further details. Okay guys, so this is the unit before. As you guys can see, there's little to no glue because I like to apply my wigs gluelessly, but I do add some glue when necessary for certain styling. Also, make sure that you are letting your hair soak so it can loosen up that glue and that extra filth. And yeah, basically that's gross. That's really gross. That's the next thing. Okay, so what you guys are going to see me do is clean out my lace. I'm going to be really consistent, but also very careful on the lace. This is a transparent lace. For HD and transparent laces, they are thinner, so you want to make sure you're being extremely careful while you're handling them. So I'm pulling and I'm pulling just to get all of that gunk out, y'all. Just doing what I got to do, and I am working my way through it, okay, guys? Also, if you guys are wondering why the lace is brown even after washing, it's because I bleached the knots and I did tint the lace on my own. Some of it is also a mixture of foundation and concealer and the things that I do after applying my wig or right before applying my wig so that it can blend properly. Okay guys, here's your lovely silicone mix. This is amazing. It does most of the work. I will be leaving the link inside the description box, or you can get it at your local beauty supply store. So you want to make sure you add at least a cup of silicone mix. At this point, I'm kind of used to it, so I could eyeball it, but I would say for technical purposes, put about a cup. Also, don't get discouraged by the clumps of product that's inside the water. If the water is hot enough, it will help break that product down, and you're not going to get every single clump out, so don't get discouraged, sweetheart. You'll be mixing for hours trying to get it out, but as long as it's a cloudy, milky type of water, that means you have yourself a pretty good mix. The rinsing process is kind of tricky because you Have to make sure you do not rinse out the entire product because the silicone mix is very slippery. You don't want the silicone mix to be completely out, but you also don't want to leave too much of it in. So I would say a light rinse would be appropriate. So after restoring this unit, I did feel like a couple of extra tracks would be needed to achieve the look that I was going for. I do love how it did come out the next day. Very beautiful full body. I did grab a couple of extra virgin hair tracks. These hair tracks are not from Luxanilace. They're literally just some tracks that I had lying around of similar length and color. So I said, hey. I did tend to my lace off camera, and as you're going to see in the next slide is the WIG headband, meaning edges are laid and hot combed and ready to roll, baby. This Remington Flatiron works wonders, and I will be leaving the link in the description box as well. I do get a lot of questions about where I got it from, and I can go ahead and do that for you guys. I've had this hair for about 8 to 9 months, and it is still holding up really good, especially after I just put 450 degrees of heat on it, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your view. Don't forget to like and subscribe.